Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Bitcoin is pumping right now. The news was released that Biden's executive order looks like it's not going to be too major, and this is really good. The market's reacting really strongly to this. Bitcoin seems to have actually bottomed out here. Yesterday I went on a buying spree with stocks as well. If you followed my live trades, the join button down below. We're going to jump into the charts. I'm going to do buying here on Bitcoin and on some altcoins. I actually closed my short about a bit more than an hour ago, and I wanted to start buying up things, but I thought to make a video before I did that. That was kind of a mistake, but I want to show you what I'm doing, because after that, after I went back to sleep, 1 hour later, the market's pumped about 7%. But it doesn't matter. My goal is not to catch the exact bottom. My goal is to start laddering in when we get close to the bottom. It's to start laddering out when we get close to the top, which is beautiful. Hit the subscribe button, join 70,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. So we're going into the chart, and then I'm going to go straight into the buying. So on the indicator bot, we got to buy. We haven't got to buy on the the Bitcoin bot on the daily, but stochastic on the daily is heading up very strongly. Money flow index on the 4 hourly, we got to buy on the indicator bot. We got to buy on the Bitcoin bot. And I'm just going to go into the charts and start buying. If you want to buy, like, use the trading software that I use and the buying, what I'm doing to buy Bitcoin, altcoins, underneath this video, smash up the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, join 70,000 people, which we hit today. Click the join button so you follow my live trades as I make them in Bitcoin and crypto and stocks. And if you want to trade like you're seeing me do Bitcoin trading, buy BitLink, this link down below, sign up bonus of $4,100. Now I'm going to start buying up. What I want to buy is Bit. I'm going to buy right now around $40,000 of Bit. $40,000. Click here, buy a Bit, confirm, done. I just bought $40,000 worth of Bit. You can see that in my account here. In my account, I've got $187,462. I just bought $45,000 of Bit, which you just saw just now. If I had done it earlier today, I would be like 1 hour ago when I made that post, I'll be up another 4,500, but that's okay. I've got 137,000 USD. Now I'm going to buy Bitcoin, because I do believe Bitcoin has bottomed here with this news about Biden. We got the pump that we needed. On the 4 hourly, let's check it out. On the 4 hourly, the money flow is flowing into Bitcoin massively. Squeeze mob has now gone to the green side. Let's see if the indicator turns on. We're lagging a little bit. Squeeze stochastic is, hold on, let me turn on Wi-Fi. Okay, Bitcoin, let's go back to Bitcoin charts. Bitcoin, indicator bot fighter buy, money's flowing in. Stochastic is heading up strongly, but on the 4 hourly it is overbought. Squeeze mob is going towards the green side. It just started going to the green side, but on the weekly, we're really at the bottom. The stochastic just turning to head up. The indicator bot on the weekly fighter buy, and the main reason I think we've bottomed is on the squeeze mob. You can see here, it's the first gray week we've had, and that's the first time we went from red to gray, and that was the same down here when we went from red to gray, exactly on the bottom on July 2021. So that's the last time we had a gray switch. Squeeze stochastic just heading up on the weekly. Money flow is starting to flow into Bitcoin. So on the weekly, we're looking actually amazing to start buying. And the indicator bot fired a buy last week. On the daily, we're also oversold. We're heading up. Money flow flowing in. Stochastic going. So I'm going to be buying Bitcoin here. Now, I'm not going to go completely crazy, but I'm going to use half of this money to buy a Bitcoin. And on my other accounts, I'm going to start buying Bitcoin. So I'm going to buy a Bitcoin here, Bitcoin 41,000. When I woke up, if you followed my alert more than an hour ago, I wanted to wait to make the video so I could show my buys when I'm making the video. But this is what I posted 2 hours ago. VIP, this is to I posted it to everyone, not just the VIP. I posted it to the members only 2 hours ago, before Bitcoin did this huge pump. Actually, it was 2 hours ago. You can see here when I made that post, I closed my short position. And this is 2 hours ago, before Bitcoin did this huge movement. It was actually sitting here at 39,200 before this big jump to 41,000. Someone bought 17,000 Bitcoin in that hour, 18,000 Bitcoin to pump it 2 hours ago. I wanted to start buying there, but I thought I'd wait to make the video before I before I made that buy, but I did announce it. So 2 hours ago, VIP closed short on Bitcoin at $100 loss. It looks like we could be bottoming for Bitcoin and altcoins. I will start laddering in today's video. That was 2 hours ago. If you followed the membership and you're subscribed to the channel, 11 hours ago, members only. VIP bought Facebook, Tesla, Uber. Bottom is close. Have USD still on the side to pick up Coinbase and add more to my positions. So I've started buying back into Bitcoin and stocks yesterday. So I'm going to actually be buying more Bitcoin here. I'm going to buy 1 Bitcoin here, so I'm going to add to my position. I'm going to buy actually I'll buy 2 here, 1.5 Bitcoin. So $62,000 worth of Bitcoin. Confirm, buying, confirmed. Order is in, bought 1.5 Bitcoin. So now in this account, I have, it's filling the order. So in the overview, I have 187,164. I've got now 75,000 USD. 1.5 Bitcoin, and now $45,000 worth of Bit, and the market is really going strong. Let's see what other alts are right now good for the buying. So I'm going to jump back into the chart. So Bitcoin is really pumping right now. It's looking like it's overbought on the hourly and the 4 hourly, but there's going to be a lot of FOMO here, and the buy signals are still flashing. And on the daily and the weekly, the stochastics are both oversold, so we could get really strong run here on Bitcoin. I like also, let's see some altcoins to be buying as well. Luna is up 10% today, going crazy. Luna up the most. Airbnb near up 7%. Uber, Bitcoin just going huge run right now, up 7% today in 2 hours since I posted that post. CRV is really bottomed out quite low. If we look on the weekly for CRV, it's almost down to the supports at $1.20. It didn't drop that much during this. I mean, it went from $5, it went from $6.80 down to $2.20. Not that much of a drop, which is, it's still huge, but compared to the other, like a lot of other altcoins, it didn't get that destroyed, which I find interesting. There's a lot of total value locked in CRV. It's kind of like a loaning altcoin that loans money to people, and it is turning up on the stochastic. On the daily, on the weekly, it's bottomed out. On the 4 hourly, it's bottomed out, but it's overbought on the 4 hourly. That's the only thing. But quite interesting that CRV is showing so much strength. It didn't drop compared to the altcoins that much. Ethereum is up a lot. FTT is up a lot. DYDX didn't drop as much. Or actually, DYDX is quite low, and it double bottomed on DYDX. The only thing, volume seems to be it's picking up on DYDX. That's interesting. And it double bottomed here. It came down to also $4.50 back here on about 1 week ago on the 24th of February. So I'm going to be buying DYDX as well. I really like, it's a decentralized exchange, DYDX, and I'm going to buy around, how much? Let's buy 18,000 at its current ask price. Buy 18,000 worth of DYDX. Or the max it allows is 1,800 DYDX. Okay, let's buy 2 orders of it then. 1,800 at its current ask, and then I'll buy another 1,800. So that's 18,000 DYDX orders. That is set. So now I'll have around, there's 75,000 USD. I've got 1.4 Bitcoin. I've got $45,000 worth of Bit, almost 40,000 Bit. I've got now DYDX is starting to be bought up. The orders are going through on DYDX. My order isn't at the top though, which is not so nice. I want my order to be sitting at the top for DYDX. So I'm going to modify one of them. And I'm going to put, oh no, it's sitting close to the top. So it is filling DYDX order, but I'll put another order at the current ask for 1,800 of them. 1,800, which is about almost $10,000. So So I've got 2 orders for DYDX, one sitting just, they're both at the green dots that you're seeing. But DYDX is moving quickly, but there's only 8.7 above. So that's what I'm going to do. Now I've got around 50,000 USD or 70,000, yeah, around 50,000 USD that I'm going to keep on the side because I don't want to go all in with all the capital on this trading account. And then I'll see what I'll also be buying. So this was 2 hours ago when I posted closed short positions on Bitcoin, $100. Looks like we could be bottoming for Bitcoin and altcoins. I'll start laddering in. Yesterday, bought Facebook, Tesla, Uber. Bottom is close. Have USD still on side to pick up Coinbase and add more to my positions. Bitcoin is really running strong here, which with this buy, I think a lot of FOMO will come in also to Bitcoin. And we are close to the bottom. So in my other accounts, I'm going to convert, I'll start converting a few $1 million worth of Bitcoin on my other accounts also. So this is something I'll also show here. So this was 2 hours ago when I closed my short positions on Bitcoin. Retail bought the dip on Bitcoin. Question is, what was that a smart move? Incoming Biden regulation on crypto, Russia's using escape will go down more. 51% 13 hours ago. 29% was time to buy. So 51%, we were actually wrong. Are we near the bottom for alts and Bitcoin? Yes, 46%. That was another poll, 3,300 votes from 3 days ago. 5.3 million people now watching MCRT. We hit 70,000 subscribers today. This was me at a conference yesterday. We've got 30% off the crypto courses for Women's Day. The team did an amazing kind of deal for women to get into crypto. Thanks, James. You have made good returns just following videos. Amazing help. Sub for a while. Got to say, the most honest channel out here. Keep up the great content. Your TA is amazing. 5 days left of the MCRT airdrop. 4.2 million people on the watch list of MCRT. We hit 60,000 subscribers on MCRT Twitter now. It's growing like so quick. Which is just a few days ago, is 4.2 million people on the watch list, which is amazing. So those are my orders. And let's see if my orders have all gone through. Trades. DYDX is still filling the orders, but everything else has been now filled. So I bought USD, Bitcoin. Now I've got 56,000 74,000 USD. 17,000 of it is reserved for orders. So it's buying up. I've got Bitcoin 1.4 here, 1.5, BIT 40,000 worth. DYDX is starting to be bought up. Let's see if DYDX and CRV. I want to buy some CRV actually. CRV is also up 6% today. So I'm going to buy around $10,000 worth of CRV. Buy at the current ask price. Done. CRV order is set as well. Wow, look at CRV move. There's so much buying happening on CRV as well. But those orders are set. Usually when Bitcoin has a mega pump like this, the alts have time to put orders. So I don't need to rush the order, which is beautiful. So those are my trades. That's what I've done. I've started to add positions. You can follow me on Twitter as well. I post a lot of things. James Crypto Guru, 19,300 followers on Twitter. I posted the polls on Twitter. And I'm buying up stocks. I believe we are close to the bottom. And I also believe, I was talking about a few hours ago that I will start laddering into Bitcoin and altcoins on today's video. I think there can be a final dip though. So thank you all for watching. Those are my trades. That's what I'm doing in the markets. You have to always do your own due diligence. But again, this is what I am doing in the markets. And I think we could actually be in the bottom here for Bitcoin. Hit the subscribe button. Smash up the thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru. And I'll see you all again tomorrow.